And I don't know if we want to walk over here to actually see them or not. The bigger falls is the upper falls. So we'll see how we want to do. There's also a place where you can go boating with money floating over your head. So the reason we came to stay at Tahquamenon, I think I said that right, State Park, is to see the falls. We're going to start at the lower falls today, do a little hike around, drive up to the upper falls, and maybe hit something very cool that is right there as well.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
So I guess it's...
And there's some over there that we can walk over to.
There really wasn't much to see at the overlooks. We're gonna go walk around, see if we can get a different vantage point at the lower falls.
The lower falls are very small too. The main attraction is the upper falls.
The upper?
Yeah. But we gotta see them since we're here. This is actually right by where we're camped. We could hike to the upper falls. It's only 4 miles. We're gonna drive. Mostly because what else is at the upper falls, which you will see here in a few minutes. Cute little walkway for the lower falls, nice walk in the woods. Fun.
So what do you think is at the upper falls? Something that we would like. Well, especially me. But sometimes even Courtney.
Comment right
But
now.
really especially me. Place your bets down below. By that I mean, whatever. Just take a mental guess.
So the water looks a little bit murky, orange. That's expected. The Tahquamenon River is that color because it goes along all the hemlock tree swamps and areas on its way here, which turns it orange.
You tune into Airstream Life for the weirdness, but you stay for the education.
But not really.
Welcome to summer in the Upper Peninsula. Ooh, it's busy.
There is a decent sized lot though, and there is RV parking. So as long as you have a Michigan Recreation Pass, which is $33 for every driving vehicle if you're out of state, then you could bring your RV here, park it, go see the falls, enjoy the other thing here, and then leave.
The other thing. You're still not telling him.
First, the falls.
You need to go potty? No. Viewing deck, and we have a gorge viewing deck.
Oh,
Which one would you like to see first?
let's do the Brink.
Okay. 94 steps.
What do you think?
Beautiful. Much bigger than the lower falls. Very cool.
And this is only the Brink Overlook.
We're gonna go down to the gorge to see the other one.
All right, this overlook's taken some effort to get to. Well, we have arrived at the upper falls. What was this overlook?
Gorge.
The Gorge Overlook. You know how we love waterfalls.
We do. In fact, we try to hike them as much as possible. We have a playlist, which I'm going to link to up above and in the description down below, of every video where we've ever seen a waterfall and done a hike, and we've been searching them out for the last 3 years. So if you like waterfalls as much as we do, check out that playlist. I go back and watch that quite often. They're a lot of my favorite videos.
Yeah, especially when we were at the, I think it's Columbia River Gorge along the Oregon and Washington. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Like every mile there's something spectacular there.
Then again,
Especially
New York
Watch
this
those.
year.
Yes.
All the ones in New York this year
Letchworth
were
and,
spectacular. Watkins Glen. Yeah, Ithaca. So many waterfalls.
They're nice. We love them.
We love them.
We love them.
This is the first one with orange because of the tannic acid. That's a first.
Now we have to climb all those steps back up. There's at least 116, but that may or may not include the steps after you get down here, because there's steps like this already, while you're at this level, then the major flights of stairs going up to the top. But anyway, climb all those, and then
there's a reward at the top.
There's a reward at the top. Okay, I'll give you a hint. It's not ice cream. It's not. All right, we climbed the steps. Now, the payoff. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Brewery in the state park. First time that's ever happened.
Letchworth is where we had.
Hopefully not the last.
Letchworth, we had drinks and lunch at the state park.
That's right. It's busy here though.
Here's the man.
It's a pasty, not a pasty. I just learned that. But it looks good. It reminds me of like a chicken pot pie kind of consistency and flavor. Very good.
Camp 33.
So if one of these was outside every hike, I would be a expert hiker.
And we'd probably be a lot heavier.
And we'd probably be a lot heavier. Or more I don't know.
Happy?
You know what? It probably is good that these aren't outside most hikes, but this is a nice little change.
I knew he'd like that part of it. Waterfalls plus a brewery right here.
That's my jam.
Yeah. So now we get to drive the 4 miles back to Puppies.
We are back at the Airstream, and this state park in Michigan has a wood vending machine, like a firewood vending machine. We've never seen that anywhere in the country. So I'm super, I want to use this. I want to use this. So we're gonna go down, we're gonna use it, see how it works. We'll show you. We'll show you how it works.
Do you have your wallet?
Oh, the excitement. Yes, I do.
Okay.
Let's see who's credit. Guess I'll use cash.
That makes some noise. And there's wood.
Wood.
How cool is that? Vending
Yeah, buy a
machine.
wood.
Perfect.
That's kind of cool. All right, that's it for this video. We're gonna close it out with a campfire. Tomorrow we are off to Munising, which is west in the Upper Peninsula. And then we're going to head slowly back down southwest through Wisconsin and the flyover country.
Yeah.
Towards the southwest again.
Yeah, but we'll be in Munising for an entire week.
Yes.
So we're going to be doing pictured rocks there, some waterfalls, or all sorts of fun stuff.
Boom. Boom. There's